Welcome to Honors Geometry, Lesson 3.5, Write and Graph Equations of Lines. So let's go ahead and move right along. Find the equation of a line going through 3, -5, and 5, -1. Okay? What you need first to do is to find a slope. Again, we did this yesterday. That'll be delta y over delta x. So the y's went from -5 to 1. That's a change of 6. The x's went from 3 to 5, which is a change of 2. So the slope is 3. Then we're going to use the line y equals mx plus b. We're going to replace the m, that's the slope of a line. This is the slope intercept form. We have to find the intercept, b, where the line crosses the x-axis. Sorry, where the line crosses the y-axis. So y equals 3x plus b. Now pick one of these 2 points. I'm picking 5, 1, so I don't have to deal with negative numbers. The y value is 1 equals 3 times the x value, 5, plus b. 1 equals 15 plus b. Subtract 15 from both sides. So the y-intercept is -14 right here. So the equation of the line, y equals 3x minus 14. And that's how you do. There is another way. It's called point slope form. I have people in my circles that say, don't you dare even show them. But I'm going to do it anyway. Point slope form is this: y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. And again, we used the point 5, 1. We knew the slope was 3, so y minus 1 equals 3 times x minus 5. Y minus 1 equals 3x minus 15. Add 1 to both sides. Y equals 3x minus 14. That's using what's called the point slope form. And most people would say, don't do that. Do it this way and just replace a point with the x and the y. However, in AP Calc, this is a great form. When they ask you to find the equation of a line, just put it in point slope form and you're done. You don't need to put it in slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Moving right along. Find the equation of the line that goes through 4, 7 and is parallel to y equals 2x minus 5. So what is the slope of this line? 2. So we have a slope. Okay, parallel lines have equal slopes. So we have a slope and we have a point. So y minus 7, it's y minus y sub 1 equals the slope 2 times x minus 4. So y minus 7 equals 2x minus 8. Add 7 to both sides. Y equals 2x minus 1. And of course you could have done it the other way. Y equals mx plus b. 7 equals 2x, 2 times 4 plus b. 7 equals 8 plus b. Subtract 8 from both sides. B is -1. And we know the slope is 2x, so the y-intercept -1. You get the same result. Okay, and you are also, okay, let me erase this. You can always return it. Let me erase this because I got some magic shenanigans going on here. Watch this. Alright. Alright, here we go. See if I can make the parallel disappear and the perpendicular come right in there. And yes, I can. Alrighty. So, find the equation of line that goes through 4, 7 and is perpendicular to the line. Y equals 2x. Okay, so the slope of this line, okay, marker doesn't want to work. Slope of this line is 2. So the line perpendicular, the slope is going to be the opposite reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, and this is positive 2, negative 1/2. So y minus 7 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4. So y minus 7 equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. Add 7 to both sides when you distribute this, negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 times negative 4, positive 2. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 9. Alright, if you did it the other way, 7 equals negative 1/2 times 4 plus b. 7 equals 2 plus b, sorry, negative 2 plus b. Add 2 to both sides, 9 equals b. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus b. Alright. Alright. Graph a line from the equation in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x plus 1. Okay, the y-intercept is 1, so it crosses the y-axis at 1. It has a slope of 3, so that would be a rise of 1, 2, 3, and a run of 1. That would be a rise of 1, 2, 3, and a run of 1. And in the other direction, 1, 2, 3, down, left 1, 1, 2, 3, left 1, and then graph the line. Yeah, I cannot do that real easy here. Okay, graph that line going through the points. Alright. Looks easy. I don't know if it is. I hope it is for you. Alright. Let's try y equals negative 2x minus 2. Okay, goes through at negative 2. That's the y-intercept. The slope is negative 2. It's going to go downhill left to right. So down 2, run 1. Down 2, run 1. There's your line. Yeah, nice shot. I really hit the points on that one, didn't I? All right. Anyway, you get the point. Okay, moving along. Graph a line from an equation in standard form. This is definitely going to be a little bit different, but hopefully it won't be too bad for you. To find the y-intercept, replace x with a 0. So 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. Okay. That would make 3y equals 6, y equals 2. So the y-intercept is right at 2. And then to find the x-intercept, set y equal to 0, because there would have to be 0 to go through the x-axis. So 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. Well, 3 times 0 is 0. 2x equals 6. X equals 3. So 3, 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay. And we know from our postulate through any two lines there is exactly one straight line. Oh, hey. Nice straight line, Mr. Manning. Yeah, I know. You try this. Hey, there. That almost looks good. Alright, you might want to use a straight edge at home. I don't know. Alright, let's try another one. Come on, erase already. There we go. Y equals negative 5x plus 10y equals 20. Again, to find the y-intercept, set the x equal to 0. So that would be negative 5 times 0 plus 10y equals 20. Y equals 2. There. And then to find the x-intercept, set the y equal to 0. Negative 5x plus 10 times 0 equals 20. 10 times 0 is 0. Negative 5x equals 20. Divide both sides by negative 5. X equals negative 4. And then you can draw your line through those 2 points. And that's how you graph a line from an equation in standard form. This will conclude Honors Geometry 3.5, writing equations and graphing lines.